Hello, my name is Faizan Sharief, and in this video I will be telling you about the cut and format options. But first of all, where are they located? So if you go into the home tab, the cut option is over here and the format option is over here. As you can see, they've both been grayed out, but we can change that. As soon as we click this, the format option has come to life, and this formats anything you've selected. So if we type in hello and we highlight it, the cut option has come to life as well. This erases anything you've selected or highlighted. So if we select this, cut, and it's gone. Let's undo that. And let's talk about the format option now. So because this is a text box, if we click format, the shape format would come here. And we can do various things with the text box. For example, we can fill it, so we can fill it with yellow color. We can create an outline, red outline. We can create a preset, so we can choose any. I'll choose this. Yeah, so now let's move on to formatting images. So a new slide. Let's go on to Google and get a good picture. Let's go on to images. I think this one. Right click it, copy image, back to the PowerPoint presentation, and I'll use the shortcut for now, which is Command V or Control V. The picture has been pasted onto your presentation. We don't need the design ideas for now, so we'll cross it. So let's make this smaller. And once we've clicked on the image, the picture format should come up over here. If we click that, we can do various things with the image. So we can change the style of the image, so we can make it into a circle. We can change the color of the image. Let's make it green. And many more things. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. And one last thing, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.